You were dead last night. You were dead last night. You were dead. Why is it that when you think cancer, everyone buckles? But didn't Allah tell you you can die at any moment? When you read the hadith and when you read the ayat of Quran, that death can come to you at any moment, you don't panic. But when a doctor tells you, look brother, after looking at your tests, Allahu Alam, we think you got about 2 weeks. 2 weeks? Is that all I have? You didn't react the same when Allah said you can die any moment. When Allah takes your soul, trust me, the condition of your deen at that moment of death, if you were to live for another 1,000,000 years, you weren't going to move an inch from that condition. Don't kid yourself. Don't look at others. But look at yourself. How many more messages do you have to hear? How many more funerals do you have to attend? You need to make a change. You need to better your life, because the deen that you're on now